In this video, I'll show you how to order on Shein using a PC or laptop. First, open your web browser and go to the official Shein website by typing shein.com in the address bar, then press enter. Once the website loads, make sure you're logged into your Shein account. After logging in, you can start browsing products. Use the search bar at the top to find a specific item or explore different categories like women's fashion, men's clothing, kids, accessories, and more. When you find a product you like, click on it to view more details. Make sure to select the correct size, color, and quantity before placing your order. You can also check customer reviews, ratings, and product descriptions to make sure you're choosing the right item. Once you're ready, click the Add to Cart button. After adding all the items you want, click the shopping cart icon at the top right corner to review your order. Here, you can adjust quantities or remove items if needed. Next, click the Checkout Now button. On the next page, enter your shipping address, choose your preferred shipping method, and select a payment method such as credit/debit card or other available options. Before completing your order, carefully review your order summary, including the total amount, shipping fee, and estimated delivery time. If everything looks correct, click Place Order to complete your purchase. That's it.